y'all, here we are, Basho from Basho and Friends. I've got my guitar. This is a new one for me, so I hope you are patient and kind, because I'm just learning, and that's how we roll. So, what I wanted to do is start off the morning by saying good morning. It's very early here in Colorado. I get up before anybody else does, so I have some time to sing songs. So this one's called Good Morning, and we're gonna do it in Spanish and English. You might have seen a recent animated video about it, which is really fun. This is the acoustic version. Now, this is direct feedback from some of my fans, from some of you all, that said, can you do slower versions that the younger kids can easily capture, or even older kids that are just learning? And so what we're gonna do is do just Good Morning today, and we're gonna do it slow and easy and fun. Are you ready? So we're gonna say good morning. I say good morning. What a beautiful morning. I say good morning. You get it? So I'm saying good morning. And then we're gonna do it together. I'm gonna say, we say good morning. And you have to sing with me at that point, right? We say good morning. What's the next part? What a beautiful morning. We say good morning. That's it. And then we're gonna do it in Spanish. Yo digo means I say. Yo digo buenos días. Good morning. Buenos días. Qué bonita mañana. What a beautiful morning. Buenos días. And then it's we say. Digamos. Digamos buenos días. Buenos días. Qué bonita mañana. Digamos, we say, buenos días. And at that point you have to sing with me, alright? Here we go. Without further ado, good morning with Basho of Basho and Friends. Let's try that again. I say good morning. I say good morning. What a beautiful morning. I say good morning. I say good morning. I say good morning. What a beautiful morning. I say good morning. Did you do that? You got it? I say good morning, and then I'm gonna say we say good morning, and you gotta sing with me. Ready? We say good morning. We say good morning. What a beautiful morning. We say good morning. We say good morning. We say good morning. What a beautiful morning. We say good morning. All right, now let's do it in Spanish. Can I sit up straight? 1, 2, 3. Yo digo buenos días. Yo digo buenos días. Qué bonita mañana. Yo digo buenos días. Now, digamos, we say buenos días. Sing with me. Digamos buenos días. Digamos buenos días. Qué bonita mañana. Digamos buenos días. Qué bonita mañana. What a beautiful morning. Thank y'all for singing with me. And if you like what you saw, please subscribe to the channel. Also, new content coming out every week on this YouTube channel, so share with your friends. Spanish, English, we got some French cooking up, and songs that help kids love and learn through music. So I'm happy to be here with you. Also, check us out at BashoandFriends.com. And if you need to hit me up directly, hey Basho at BashoandFriends.com. I love you. Love yourself. Yo digo buenos días. Buenos días, qué bonita mañana. Buenos días, digamos buenos días. Buenos días, qué bonita mañana. Buenos días.